U for unity. Yes, it is very important in this world to thrive and to focus on unity. Because if you do, you understand what your real nature is. We are one. One being, and the ancient masters dating from Egypt or ancient China or India taught us that we are one with the whole universe. One microcosm, meaning small cosmos, microcosmos, equals the macrocosm, which is the big universe. Learn to focus on unity in your life, because this is the way you're going to gather all your strength and become powerful, one with yourself. No division, unity only.